Today I'm going to show you this brand new hover star that I bought from Costco. It's like a mini drone, but it has like a UFO kind of shell on top of it, so which is very cool. So it's very fun. It's good for to play with friends and family. It's like hand commanded, so when you like push it, it goes away. It like it detects walls and it goes away from them, which is super cool. So it comes in red and blue. I got red because it's shiny, I say. Okay, it comes with the USB charger, so which is good. It's not too good outdoors, but it is good in indoors. So I did try it outdoors. It didn't work that well, but it is okay. So indoors it flies really well. So let's open it. So I already got like a little cut. So just okay, hold that down. Do not need this. So I have this. It's super cool. And like I said, it's super flexible. This shell, it's super flexible. It's so cool. So there's a little on and off button right here. So here's the charging plug. And there's 4 sensors on the side and 1 on the bottom. So it's like a little UFO, like cage. And it doesn't like let your finger go in and touch the blade. So it's very good for protection. It's like a mini drone inside. It's just like with a UFO shell, like I said earlier. I like the wings because they're super clear. I like the clear wings. I wonder how feel when they're in the air. I'm so excited to see them. So this is how you calibrate it. So you on it, you hold it upside down and double tap it. And it's going to show all these colors. For me, it's showing green, red, and blue. So I'm just going to put it on this table for a little bit. Now it's showing you pure green. That's what it should be like when it's calibrated. So it's very easy to start it. You just lightly throw it up in the air. You don't even have to throw it as high, but it's like this. Let's see. Yeah, a little toss. A little toss is enough to start it. So guys, it is blinking red. That means it is out of charge, which is super sad, I know. But it's okay, it's gonna recharge in 30 minutes, which is not a long time to wait. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, hit that notification button, and ring the bell. I'll see you on the next one, and peace!